YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Ascension Capitals, man. Coming back in with another video. And today's Wednesday. I already took my rising walk. If you can recognize where I'm at, just by the room, but right now it is, and you can see that, but I'm trying to focus up on it. It's 8:52, December 11th, and the CPI happened like maybe about 20 minutes ago now. So let's kind of see what post CPI has to offer today. So this marvelous Monday. Oh, what's going on? I'm all out of whack on this marvelous Wednesday. Got me into a little dab ski. Yeah. Muhammad's little pineapple rent. Motherfucker, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm in this pre-market analysis, man. Let's see what we can make up today. So yeah, another day in the life of growing futures trader. You know, scaling slowly but surely, but trying to make this trading stuff happen. So let's get to it, yeah. YouTube. So just got done, queuing up everything with the market analysis, and I need to get a wide angle lens so I can get my whole face in the frame. But neither here nor there. I'm watching this podcast right now because prices are pretty slow at the current moment. Let me full screen this. My grabby tool. So yeah, price overnight session, we broken this high here. So boom, this leg put in a new high, make that break, and that's where we get this whole break of structure from right here. And yeah, price is continuing to rally to the upside. Then we also had a rally during the morning session here during London. And let me turn back on my session kind of things so I can kind of see everything. So yeah, boom, price is constantly printing new structure right now. So my trading range now is between, this high. Oh, come on, get out of the way. Let me exit screen so I can have that. Okay. So we got this high and this low. So now this is my current trading range right now. So what I'm currently waiting for is some sort of retracement back into some discounted levels before looking for some sort of confirmation on the lower time frame. So I can still see HL lows are still intact, but I still, to be honest, I don't see price coming down for this low. But nevertheless, I won't rule it out as a possibility. So right now I'm just kind of playing the waiting game to see what price is going to do. This might be one of those Wednesdays where it's kind of slow. But nevertheless, there is news at 10 on crude, but nothing major. We did have CPI at 8:30, and there's crude oil inventories at 10, and time is now 9:52. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of sit on the sideline until I get some more development. But yeah, that's all you really can do, man. Show up every day, but don't rush the process. Because rushing that process, it's gonna wax your ass, big fella. I'm sorry, y'all. But I'll get back with you guys if I see any development. So yeah, until then, tap back in with the podcast.
How would you like it if God was done with you?
Alright guys, so executed on a liquidity hunt model. And I'm currently in some crude shorts as we speak at the current moment. So I'm gonna see how this trade kind of plays out. Hopefully I can break even, but my break even is kind of far from my entry point because this low here, I don't know if I can draw the thing. This low here was post crude oil inventories, so that was post news. So we're just gonna see how this kind of plays out. So I'll get back with you guys after I get some more development. I already have my partial taken. I'm at setup. I'm gonna, take off 3 contracts here because I have 4 contracts on, well, 4 micros on. So we're just gonna see how this kind of plays out. So hopefully I'm getting the volume that I'm looking for and the delivery that I'm looking for. But nevertheless, man, I followed my plan. Liquidity hunt model presented itself and you execute. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit.
Seek the kingdom first and all things will be added unto you. So if you're not seeking God first, if that is not the root, then you
Alright guys, so
it's all about the root. If the root
first target smashed. Oh, turn off that. First target smashed. So now we're gonna roll stops to break even. Let's see. Alright, activate that. And yeah, off to a good start. So we still have 1 contract running, and I'm going to, target some higher time frame or medium time frame, should I say, targets. So yeah, let's kind of map that out, and then I'll see. Well, I'll show you guys where I'll reaching for it. Well, actually, currently we're tapping into this 15-minute liquidity pool here on the 15-minute time frame. This is what this low, or what this line is all about. There's 2 points of contact on this little trend line. So yeah, there's 2 points of contact here on this 15-minute liquidity pool, and yeah, we're just kind of targeting lower. So I may end up targeting the previous low of the range, but definitely don't want to go for anything too crazy. But I'm gonna get back with you guys after I get to the target setup and all that good jazz. So I'm going to see if price can hit some medium time frame targets. Originally, I have the limit set here, which is, to be honest, a little bit lengthy. This was like the very valid discount, the valid extreme discount of the range. So I'm going to put the position right at this 0.618 level. I believe that'll be more reasonable for medium time frame targets. So let's modify that. Boom. So that will be where the full position will close out right at that 0.618 level, because we wicked the high and got in on a liquidity hunt model to take price further to the downside. So I feel like this will be a good area to really kind of take off the rest of the position. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with that game plan. But yeah, so I had a little technical difficulties closing out the trade on the break even. Well, didn't have it set up right, I guess, but nevertheless, price did come back to the break even point, and then it had put me into the trade again for some reason, but I quickly closed it. So whatever that was all about. But yeah, guys, the liquidity hunt model kind of executed beautifully. Yeah, that's pretty much all I really got for today. I don't really see price coming down to where I had my second target, but I always just like to leave runners just in case. But typically, the liquidity hunt model typically runs for a 3R anyway, so typically that's not the one to run for longer term targets, but nevertheless I did do that anyway. So I'll pop it up here. What was the result of that position and today's trading results. So nevertheless, we show up tomorrow and we follow our plan, and we'll see what the day holds. But yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of the day started, and yeah, the day rolls on. So Maybe y'all keep rising, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So, peace for now.